Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. This is Providence Onheri from CAD and Building Concepts. In our today's tutorial, we're going to treat on how to export ArchiCAD 2D to Orion for structural drawing and design. As you can see, 2D means floor plan. Okay, I need to off the blue light pane. This is, for instance, a proposed floor plan, assumed floor plan that I just created for the sake of this tutorial. This is void for our staircase. Sometimes you add window and doors in structural, but you don't need that. Some people add doors and window for them to know where to place columns so that the columns, pillars won't fall in the door or window areas. But though the person that did the design, I know, so there is no need of certain doors and windows. So this is my floor plan. You just need this. In drawing now, this place, it will be fixed with beam, right? So you can close it. What you can see be left open. So for you to export your work to Orion, first of all, you have to put your grid line. My work thickness is 625. You can just click on line, click on grid line. I'll rush this. Okay. Change this to drag. Out to out, out to out, out to out. Duplicate. Then you do the same. This is the horizontal. You do the same for the vertical. This helps in setting out to get the wall lines. This is out to out. You have to be very accurate to avoid errors. Okay, we are done. So what we have to do, we have to centralize these grid lines. Our wall thickness is 225, which is 9 inches. Then 225 divided by 2 is, this is in millimeters. It is 112.5, right? Yeah, so half of it, half of 225. So you highlight for the vertical 112.5. Yeah, this is the half center. Same with this 112.5. So we have fixed our grid line now. So what next are we doing? You have to highlight this, copy, Ctrl C, short key. Then come over to this area. You look for worksheets. Under your worksheet, click on your worksheet, then you right click. You right click. You will see new independent worksheet. Click on it. You can then save it with anything you want. You can just say tuto. Great. You paste it. Ctrl P. Ctrl V, sorry. I'm so sorry for giving you wrong information. Okay, so the next thing you have to do, you have to change this. You go to under our file, you go to save as. And this is ArchiCAD file. So you click on the save type, then you save it as DSF. Good. Then you place it on desktop so that you can look for it in our desktop. Then you click on save. Just minimize. Sorry. So we have to open our Orion. I'm using Orion 18. Some people call it Orion. So double click on it. Just click on it to open. Doesn't take time to load. Just click on this cancel tab. This will pump out. So this is a new project, right? Click on, this is my existing project, the one I've already done before. So these are my projects worked on. So click on new project and just input class 10. Click on OK. In Nigeria, we use VS 8110. This is the one we use even in academics. We import. Click on OK. Then go to File. You are importing, not exporting, right? You are bringing in. So you go to external reference drawing. Project should be saved before this process. Do you want to save this? Yes. Load the game. Then we saved that in desktop. Under desktop, we saved it with tuto, right? This is it, tuto worksheet. Click on it and OK. The millimeters, right? You can then change it to the one you want, but this in drawing we use millimeters. Click on OK. You can just move this to be centralized depending. Just click on OK. So our work now is in Orion. So I will show you guys steps on how to use this software, Orion. So this is the necessary stage you need to know. This is how to import your work to Orion for you to start up your analysis, introducing your slab, column, beams. So for you to start that, you have to use Orion axis, kind of serving as a grid line. So let's start from here. As you can see, you must be very accurate with it. These are the first steps. The first step you have to do. After the vertical, you introduce the horizontal, but this is not the main case. So I'll show you some settings in Orion. In our next tutorial, I'll quickly show you guys on how to use Orion using the same plan. So for you to do your general settings in Orion, we have settings here. Under our settings, you have foundation, you have slab. Let's click on slab settings. Under this, we have our steel bar. You know the meaning of this now. The spacing of your slabs, that is your slab, the reinforcement setting, the spacing. 2 to 5 is kind of weird. Though it has stop and return. I prefer using 150. So this is about understanding structural analysis, which the knowledge you can be able to apply or use Orion software. Okay, thank you for watching. If this is your first time watching my video, do well, like, share, and subscribe. Do well to ask me question in the comment section. Thank you.